Hi friends, I am Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I am at the Sunday local market located at Santekatte, a small town in Udupi where I was born and brought up. I have come here to shop for those unique melons which graces the market from the month of March to May. I am going to buy the one that is cracked, which is the best one to prepare rasayana. I have kept ready 400 ml of coconut milk, one medium-sized musk melon. I have used the cracked one. I have taken 3 tablespoons of jaggery. You can take it as per your taste. Half cup of flattened rice of poha soaked in water. 6 pods of cardamom powdered. Let's explore the essence of these unique melons and crafting a delightful treat perfect for summer. Let's begin peeling the melon and extracting the pulp. It's so soft that you don't need any tool. Just take out the seeds and use your hands to gently separate the pulp from the skin. These melons are not very sweet, so add jaggery as per your taste. Please do subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my recipe and share it with your friends. Unique preparation is also called as Rasayana, Sihikarane or Harsale. It is prepared during special occasion and a dish native to Udupi. Mango and banana rasayans are also prepared in the same way. As you peel this melon and separate the pulp, you can just feel the texture of this fruit, which is just soft like cotton. Just smash it with your fingers and put it in a mixing bowl. You can get this fruit from any marketplace around Udupi. The pulp is ready. Let's prepare the coconut milk. I just took one big coconut and added a little bit of hot water to it and extracted the milk from the coconut. So I have not separated thick and thin coconut milk. So I have just added water and taken just one extract of the milk. To this I just added 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Stir well till the jaggery is completely dissolved in the coconut milk. Also add the cardamom powder. Now pour this coconut milk into the mixing bowl where we already have the pulp. Give a good mix for even distribution of flavors. Now take the flattened rice or the poha, squeeze it well with your fist and then add it to the rasayana. This will enhance the texture and add a delightful chewiness to this dish. A refreshing bowl of rasayana, also called as Seekarne or harsale, ready to be enjoyed as a dip with puris, dosas, neer dosa or holige, or just as a refreshing smoothie. Enjoy it the way you want to have it. Thank you so much for watching this video.